Welcome to my new series, Quick Restorations. So we have a lot of stuff that could use general maintenance and whatnot. Found this all over in the dumpster recently. I think we should start with this. It was under a bunch of junk, but I think it was worth it to dig it out. It's a little loose. I believe we can tap these rivets back in. We can tighten these bolts. Maybe wash off some of the paint and stuff like that. And then paint it with some linseed oil to help make sure it lasts for a long time. And this should actually be a pretty useful ladder. Most obvious thing is to take these bolts and tighten them down. I believe these rivets might be a bit loose. Yeah, a little bit. The thinnest wood I have is this deck planking. I think that might be a bit overkill for this paint shelf. And plus I don't really need a paint shelf, so this would be like kind of wasted effort. I don't really need it, so let's just jump onto the step of cleaning it because... Oh wait, I probably should tap those. Now we can jump to the cleaning part. I don't want to take too much of it off because all the paint gives it character. Let's first start by wiping it down, or, you know, this is pretty dirty. Let's just spray it down first. You know, I guess I do have some thin wood. I never really think of the structural capabilities of these plaster laths. Because, I mean, yeah, I normally don't need thin wood, so maybe this could work. Oh, and they fit perfectly. Well, I can't. Now I gotta do it. So, these aren't structurally sound enough for what I'd want, but maybe they will be okay. I'll just know not to put too much weight on them. bit of a fail. I wouldn't even hold this. I wouldn't trust this to hold a can of paint. So that's a shame. I figured since the remaining parts of that shelf were kind of broken pretty badly, if I'm going to be putting a shelf on here, I might as well just build it from scratch anyway. I might get a dowel like this and put it across here though, just so it kind of matches and so it's a little more sturdy. I think a little bit of acetone will do good for cleaning this up. Yeah, it's really absorbed the linseed oil. There we go. I think that should turn out pretty nice. Almost like a reddish color. Well, oh, did I not do that? It's been a few hours, but I think it's actually pretty much dry, although it's not fully oxidized. I think the wood was so dry that it actually soaked all the linseed oil up, so you can actually touch it and it's perfectly fine. I like the darker color it's given it, and it's not really affected the paint itself, so you get a much more contrast from the wood and the paint blotches. It's so nice. It's pretty good for free, and like, I don't know, 75 cents of linseed oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!